Solve the simultaneous equations. So you can see here we've got one quadratic and one linear. The way that we solve these is by rearranging the linear one to make either x or y the subject, and then substituting it into the quadratic one. It's up to you whether you want to make x or y the subject, or whether you want to substitute into x or into y. So I'm going to rearrange this second equation to make y the subject. So I get y equals 2x minus 17 over 3. Then I'm going to substitute that into where I see a y in the first equation. So now we have an equation with all x's. At this point I just need to expand, simplify, and start rearranging. Because I knew I'd end up with a quadratic, I had to get everything onto one side where ideally the x squared is positive. Now I'm going to see if I can factorize. Before I do that though, I'm going to check if I can simplify all three of these terms by a common factor. So I could actually divide everything by 4, and now I just need to solve it to find my two values for x. So I've got x is minus a half or 11 over 5. Now I'm going to take these two and substitute them back into one of the original equations. Normally I use the linear one because it's easier, but I also use the rearranged version of the linear one. It's still the same equation, but now that I've got x, I want to know what y is. So it would be better to use an equation where y is already the subject. So for the first one, we get y equals 2 times minus a half, minus 17 over 3. And for the second, we get 2 times 11 over 5, minus 17 over 3. So the first value of y is minus 6, is minus 21 over 5. So there are my 4 solutions to the simultaneous equations. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel, where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.